Yo. Real quick before we start the intro, I just finished this video. I'm actually going to be giving away one of the pieces in this video that I mentioned at the very end. So I thought I'd mention now, and you guys want to see how to win it, then you freaking, you watch the whole video, huh? Alright, let's start this thing. It's trying to sound cool. Let's get going, boys. I don't know. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Boys, what's up? So apparently there is a new NBA YoungBoy, allegedly, website going around, and I thought we'd check it out. You know what I mean? That's pretty much it. Boys, thank you so much for joining back. Thumbs up, comment down below for Shadow BAN brand. That'd be awesome. As soon as we could reverse this, the more, I don't know, the cooler it'll be. Bad sell. So, I say alleged, boys, because somebody hit me up with this website. I always thank you guys so much. You guys do literally the research for me. If you ever want to hit me up with ideas, Instagram, at NameBran Clothing. I freaking hate the name. So anyway, there was this website. Now, I'm quite skeptical that it's NBA YoungBoy because he already has his own website, but maybe it's a spin-off, probably not. I'm saying this for reasons so I don't get S-U-W-E-D'd. How the f do you spell that? S-E-U, sound it out. S-E-U, go to school, kids. I don't know. Boys, you know what's crazy? I graduated college 4.0, no cap. I swear to God. It was graphic design, but I try not to tell people that. I should have gone to spelling class, dude. Another fun fact, during spelling class, I went to a separate room to do my homework because I wouldn't do it at home. And French class, so there we go. Anyway, this website, boys, that may or may not be NBA YoungBoys, sells a bunch of NBA YoungBoy merch, which got me kind of weird. Like, he's got his own website for merch, so putting it two and two together, it's probably not his, but what they did have is a lot of his merch and also a jewelry section on the website. We didn't get any of the merch because we've done that before. I have way too much fucking merch of rappers that I don't even really listen to for the most part upstairs because we did them for videos. So I went to the jewelry section. I found some really cheap pieces, one actually quite expensive piece, and we're gonna see if it's dope. That's it, bro. I love the websites that might be a scam because you never know what's gonna happen. Let's go. Without further ado, boys, package engaged. Now, this is the package for 3 pieces. I'm gonna read it out right now. The first piece is a pendant necklace. That was $25. Second one is a pendant. That was $250. What the hell am I thinking, bro? I bought this a month ago, or like months ago, probably. I'm pretty sure. This is definitely a dropshipping website. And then the last one is a watch that I spent $50 on. So we're gonna check this out, boys. And NBA YoungBoy plastered all over it. So it's just a fun video. Let's go. So we're gonna go one by one. I already see the damn watch. I'm already pissed off, actually. Did I order? I must have been stoned. Boys, first off, from the NBA YoungBoy website, they claim definitely drop shipping. What the fuck is this? So this is the watch. I could see myself getting a diamond iPhone looking watch off the, is it touchscreen? That'd be sick though. How do you use it? Oh, it is! So this was $50. I don't think I got the pink one. That's kind of me up. I definitely didn't get the pink one. It's not a, you know, pink's cool sometimes, boys, but this color doesn't hit. It's got to be like the vibrant pink. Look, this one right here. It's got to be that. That's a nice pink. There's a couple nice other pinks out there. I'm a chill. Okay, $50. This is already a loss. This is back when I was just getting STONED'd and shopping a lot for videos about that time frame when I bought this. So it very well could have been my fault. This is a bad move. These dots right here also, if you want just a quick review, they're not even punched out, bro. The holes aren't punched out. Look it, you gotta actually, sorry, I shouldn't get that, but $50! You can't even do it! Okay, there you go. You punch the hole in bad. Next, we're off to a bad start. See, what did I spend? Upwards of probably $400 on this stupid website. This can't, fuck. Alright, next, boys. Now, I can pretty much feel already in here what's gonna be the $250 one. So we'll do the other one. I'm not gonna give a link down below because, once again, I'm not trying to get the S-worded if this isn't his website. But if you, like, really dig the pieces, this is generally what I do. Hit me up on Instagram. Maybe I'll send a link, but maybe not. You know what I mean? I'll have to talk to my lawyer, which I probably won't do. So we'll figure this out. Next one here, boys. What did I say this was price-wise? Oh, man. I don't even want to know. $25. Next, okay, so here's a classic. It says made in China. It's fucking drop shipped. What was I doing? Like, I'm just throwing away money, bro. I think when I must have bought it, like, I thought it was his real website or something, because this can't be. I don't know, man. These rappers be doing crazy things. This was kind of sick. $25, would I spend that much? No. I would actually spend my money on NameBranFam.com instead. Everything's free, bro. Almost. Add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Do it now. Bad ad, but NameBran fam, link is down below. Boys, you can get stuff like this on there for free, pretty much. Is my website the best quality you know? Is this the best quality? Absolutely not, and it freaking wasn't free, that's for damn sure. Anyway, we got the classic 100. This one actually isn't that bad, to be honest. Usually they're hollow. Even when they're this thin, they're hollow. NBA YoungBoy, if this is your website, not too bad. Nah, it's pretty bad. Actually, f you, NBA YoungBoy. I don't know, bro. Like, it's the worst fake gold I've ever seen, probably. Oh, of course it came with a fake chain, too. You know what you do with these boys? You try to sell them to a gold shop. They never take them. They'll kick you out for trying it. Trust me, I know. But it's always a fun time. It's the only thing you can do with this shit. Garbage. Okay. There's links everywhere now. They don't usually explode like that. Didn't even rip in half, it just ripped in 10 pieces. Next, here's the last one, boys. Okay, see, this is where we're coming. This flips it all back, bro. Yeah, that's nice. Here's a big ticket item. Brand nowadays wouldn't spend $250 on this at all. If anything, I probably got it for the thumbnail. We've had one of these before, though. But it was red in the middle or something. I don't think the quality was as good. We got the NBA YoungBoy Never Broke Again logo. Honestly, bro, this is not that bad. You could get something real nice, probably moissanite for 250 bucks. I actually f this. The whole website. I'm really just trying to, I gotta stop just treating you guys like you're stupid. This sucks for the price. I wasn't trying to lie to you guys, but now I was trying to talk myself into maybe thinking I didn't make a bad decision, but I did. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad piece by any means, but it's not $250. I'm just kind of pissed. It glistens all right. Actually, it would look kind of cool on the neck, but it didn't come with a freaking chain, so what? Oh, I dented the floor, probably. Fuck. Anyway, I had to get this out literally just for tax expense, probably. I feel horrible about that purchase. Boys, I looked at it a little bit more. I think I just knocked off a diamond. No, we're good. I'm actually gonna give this away to one of you guys. So if you want one, just leave a thumbs up, comment down below. I think I bent it a little bit. That's my bad, boys. I bent it a little bit. I could try to bend it back. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Best is to hit my Instagram up right there and say that you entered. That's kind of how you enter. That's probably the best way. Then I can get your shipping and stuff. So I'll give this away. NBA YoungBoy's potential website. It's a miss. What else would you expect? I really think I must have thought that it was a real website or something, because nothing makes sense as to why I would have spent this much money on this stuff. But there you go, boys. New, better video tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. You come here for a freaking story time review or something like that. That's pretty much what my channel is now. Until we get un-BAN from places, then we'll start causing havoc again, possibly. But that might be a little time coming. I think I have 1 more year left at the malls beside me or by me, and then I don't know about the other ones, how long I'm banned for. I think those might be for life, but we're gonna get back on track, boys. 2022, boys, let's go. New me, new you. All right, peace.